The Shahani Group is run by the Shahani family, which has been in this field of education for the last 100 years, starting from my great-grandfather, Thadomal Shahani, who was the principal of one of the top Sindhi colleges in Karachi before partition, down to my grandfather, who helped to set up 24 colleges in Bombay, which are very famous, which teach 50,000 students every year. The SAGE Foundation, which is the Shahani Academic Global Empowerment Foundation, is an award-winning non-profit which is part of the Shahani Group, which has done a lot of work in the space of education and healthcare around India. We have been awarded by President Bill Clinton of the US for our work, by President Abdul Kalam for our work in helping villages and helping underprivileged students get jobs. We have worked in villages, we have helped to set up colleges. We are also now in the process of helping to train millions of students in India to get jobs in the white-collar world around India and in other parts of Asia. The SAGE Foundation is a very proactive education technology-focused NGO which allows students to make sure that they get the best jobs of their career.